how to get a custom crosshair on Nintendo Switch Fortnite. In this video, I'll show you how to get a custom crosshair on Nintendo Switch on Fortnite. So to get started, go ahead and launch Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch and then head over into the settings menu represented by the gear icon. Now from the settings, navigate to the options tab, and then from the options tab, scroll down to the crosshair section. Now from there, go ahead and select custom crosshair if available, and then customize the color, shape, and size of your crosshair. So this would work if you actually find that custom crosshair option on the in-game version of Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. And that is how you can basically get a custom crosshair on Nintendo Switch Fortnite.